Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm going to be making a storage ottoman out of this old tire. Of course, you saw the title. But in this video, I made a lot of mistakes and I'm going to pour them out so you won't make the same mistakes I did. It was a little rough, but I got through it. So next we're going to go ahead and take our wooden round and place it on a tire and go ahead and get our glue gun and go ahead and glue that all the way around. Boom. Let me tell you the first mistake. First mistake is don't go ahead and get these little bitty glue sticks. You need to get the extra long ones because the hassle that I had trying to get these glue sticks started and formed, it's not worth the hassle. Just get the long ones and keep it moving. You're going to be probably seeing random stuff thrown in this video on the tire because my daughter, she just won't let me live. Now I'm going to go ahead and start off with the rope. Now, do a better job than me and start off in the center of the wooden circle because I was tripping, okay? I was tripping. It was off. And you're going to see that everything is off because I decided I didn't want to get perfectly in the middle. Now, this right here would be what I consider the hardest part just to get it started off. But after that, I mean, it's really a breeze. That's not really even hard, but that's just the hardest part, so to say. So, and this right here is literally what you're going to be doing for like the next 5 hours. Like, you're just going to be going in a circle, in a circle, in a circle. This is like basically the whole project. And let me tell you, by the time I got done, my fingertips were so sore, I didn't know what to do. I didn't want to touch nothing. I didn't want to touch nothing else. And my fingers were like, sis, give it a break. It's over with. So you'll see I gave up with doing this once I get to the top, but that's later. I'll point it out. Okay, so the length of this red rope was 100 feet. So that basically just did the top of the tire. So when I got down to the blue rope, I don't know, it was a lot easier for it to stick and to stay where it was at than the red. I don't know if the red was a little thicker or what, but yeah, the blue was a lot easier to get on and to stay on. Okay, so right here, this is where things got awkward. I couldn't figure out if it was better to turn the tire one way or the other way. When I did it this way, I was missing how close I was to the next piece of rope, so I had gaps in mine. And then the other way, the glue was just falling down onto the rope, so which made everything a mess. So I ended up doing it this way, and I probably should have been doing this way from the beginning, but hey, you live and you learn. I call them too late, but not too late. So I would recommend doing it this way. As soon as you get done with the top and it becomes a little awkward, trying to get that rope around there, turn it on the side and just keep it moving like that, because that was a struggle. That was like 7 minutes of struggle. Not 7 minutes of heaven, 7 minutes of struggle. Okay, so do it like this. Okay, I would also like to point out, like, be responsible with the glue gun, because portion control is everything. That way you won't have much of a cleanup when you're done, because I had to really go back and clean off as much glue as I could once I finished, because sometimes it was just coming out of big old globs, and sometimes it was just coming out in this thin little layer, which is the thin layer is fine. You don't need a whole big glob. That's what I had to learn too, especially with this blue rope. You did not need a whole bunch of glue. So portion control is everything to save yourself the mess. So think about that. Okay, so now at this point, I'm just placing the wooden round on top just so I could see how close to get to it before I just stop with the rope, because I'm not closing this top one down. I wanted to keep it open so I could put things on the inside and have a little storage area. Now, if you're not intending to have a storage area, you can just go ahead and from the beginning just put both wooden sides on from the beginning. And that way you won't have to even worry about this part. Okay, so at this point, this is when I gave up, when my fingers tapped out, when it was like, no more rope. We're not doing no more rope, sis, because if you do, it's over with. So I was like, you right. So this is where I bring in my fabric. So instead of just getting more blue rope or red rope and going around on this little wooden circle, I'm just going to go ahead and staple this fabric on there. Then we're going to call it a day. My fingers was hurt. They still hurt. They still hurt right now. They still sore. I can barely even edit this video. They so sore. Okay? So this project is definitely worth it once it all comes out, but it's very time consuming. I want you to know that. And I wouldn't recommend trying to do this in one day. I wouldn't. But the good thing about this is I'm going to show you different ways to do these tires. I'm going to have another tire video, but it's going to be a completely different setup than this, because it's a lot of different ways you can do this. You don't have to just do it my way, and it's stuff we can add, it's stuff we can take off. I'm going to show you. We're going to have a different video. It's kind of going to be the same thing, but it's going to be different way you can do it, different materials. But yeah, I'm just stapling the fabric on, getting that all nice and tight all the way around, and then that's gonna be my top. That's what we're gonna cover this with, cause my fingers hurt. Look at them. They so and poke. Look at them. Look at them. Poor fingers.